average YT tutorial video on adding Connect with MetaMask feature in your web app is around 16 minutes. That's a lot, and they involve many different steps and a lot of code to write. In this video, we'll see how you can do just that, but within less than 2 minutes and just with one line of code while still enjoying your drink. And yeah guys, that's non-alcoholic. As usual, we'll start by installing the Web3 SDK by running the command npm install @tatum.com/js. Once you have it installed, we'll import the Tatum SDK, we'll initialize it on the Ethereum network, and then using the wallet provider.metamask submodule of Tatum SDK, we'll call the connect function. And that's it. You have Connect with MetaMask feature in your Web3 app with just one line of code. Here's a short demo of this feature where in our HTML file, we have a button called sign in with MetaMask. In our logic file, whenever someone clicks this button, we have this function which gets executed. As we know already, in this function, we have this one line of code to connect with MetaMask, and then we fetch the address and then show it in this div right here. Let's just quickly run this project by running the command npm run serve, and then we go on the localhost port 1234. As you can see, we click sign in with MetaMask, which gives us this MetaMask prompt. We click next, connect, and then boom, you see the connected account right here. And yes, you can try this project on talks.tatum.com. All you have to do is just go in wallet provider, MetaMask, connect a wallet, and run pin. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you press that like button. And if you would like to see more of these Web3 tutorials, which can enable you to make Web3 apps while enjoying your drink, or maybe while you're enjoying your noodles, then make sure you subscribe to us and press that bell icon so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. This was Shiv, product manager at Tatum, and see you next time.